Maintaining a golf course demands more than raw power. It requires precision, adaptability, and innovation to keep turf flawless across every slope and curve. In this video, we break down the best zero-turn mowers built to meet the real-world demands of golf course maintenance. These mowers feature patented flexing decks engineered to perfectly contour uneven terrain, reducing scalping and delivering a smooth, professional finish even on the toughest ground. Paired with high-performance suspension systems and rugged construction, they glide effortlessly across fairways, absorb bumps, and stand up to non-stop use. Now let's get started. Let's start with the Lastec WZ1000. The Lastec WZ1000 is a commercial-grade zero-turn mower designed for serious turf management, with an impressive 120-inch cutting width powered by 5 independently flexing 25-inch decks. It operates at speeds up to 10 miles per hour and covers roughly 8.73 acres per hour, delivering output that outpaces standard zero-turn mowers. Pricing starts at $48,900 for the base model and can reach up to $69,899 depending on configuration and accessories. The 5 flex decks articulate up to 24 degrees up or down, conforming to dips, banks, and slopes without scalping, essential for smooth fairways, tee surrounds, and bunker edges. Its belt-driven deck system reduces maintenance and boosts fuel efficiency by around 50%, making it ideal for grounds crews managing over 50 acres weekly. Powered by a 49-horsepower Kubota D1803 turbo diesel engine compliant with Tier 4 emission standards, the mower has a 17-gallon fuel tank for long, uninterrupted mowing sessions. The electric quick-lift deck compresses transport width to about 94 inches, facilitating zone transitions. Deck heights adjust from 1 to 4.5 inches tool-free for fast shifts. Trade-offs include a hefty 3,395-pound weight risking turf compaction on soft ground, limited maneuverability in tight spots, a slow 3-mile-per-hour reverse speed, and diesel emission system maintenance complexity. The lack of four-wheel drive limits traction on slopes, and its maintenance-intensive design demands skilled users. WZ1000 is best suited for superintendents needing uniform cut quality on large rolling landscapes, municipalities, and commercial grounds. Less ideal for tight spaces or steep hills. At number 2 is the Toro Z Master 7500D. The Toro Z Master 7500D is engineered for mowing wide open and contoured golf course terrain. Powered by a durable Yanmar diesel engine, it comes in deck sizes from 60 to 144 inches. The massive 144-inch model lists at $82,999, while the 72-inch version costs around $32,110, clearly designed for full-time turf professionals. Its 144-inch flex-wing deck folds to 83 inches for transport and articulates up to 20 degrees up and 15 degrees down, allowing it to hug slopes and bunker edges without scalping. With blade tip speeds of 18,200 feet per minute, it covers over 8 acres per hour at speeds up to 12.5 miles per hour. The 37 to 44 horsepower engines deliver strong torque with about 50% better fuel efficiency than traditional hydraulic mowers, aided by Toro's Horizon technology. A 12.5-gallon fuel tank supports long, uninterrupted shifts. Operator comfort is prioritized with a 4-inch suspension seat, steering dampeners, and hydraulic deck height adjustments from 1 to 5.5 inches. Built tough with a 7-gauge steel turbo force deck and sealed cast aluminum spindles. Trade-offs include a high price tag, complex maintenance with over 20 grease points and 7 belts, a large footprint limiting tight space use, and a slow 3-mile-per-hour reverse speed. Weighing between 1,900 and 2,500 pounds, careful handling is needed to prevent turf compaction. The 7500D excels at delivering a precise cut quickly over large areas, reducing hand trimming with its wide blade reach and minimizing downtime with the 17-mile-per-hour transport speed. Ideal for superintendents managing 50 acres daily, it offers unmatched productivity and cut quality. For smaller, tighter, or budget-conscious operations, simpler machines may be better suited.
And number 3 is the Jacobsen Eclipse 360 Elite. Jacobsen Eclipse 360 Elite isn't just another real mower. It's a fully electric, zero-emission machine engineered specifically for golf courses and fine turf. With a 62-inch cutting width, this mower combines precision and efficiency. Priced around $93,948, it promises near-silent operation, zero hydraulics, and unmatched cut quality. But does it deliver on the greens? Powered by a 250 ampere-hours Samsung lithium-ion battery with 12.2 kilowatt-hours of energy per charge, the Eclipse can mow up to 143,000 square feet and travel 6 miles before needing a recharge. That's enough for over 50 greens on most mid-size courses. Its standout feature is the frequency of clip control system, which automatically syncs reel speed with forward motion. This eliminates triplex rings and delivers a consistent, tournament-level cut no matter the operator's speed. Operators can choose reels with 7, 9, 11, or 15 blades. For elite play, the 15-blade reel cuts between 0.036 to 0.250 inches, with an adjustable cut height from 0.062 to 0.438 inches, allowing precise tuning for different greens and seasons. What truly sets the Elite apart is its lack of hydraulics. Instead, it uses AC traction motors and brushless DC reel motors, along with regenerative braking and electronic parking. From an operator's perspective, the swing-out center cutting unit and tool-free maintenance speed up setup and servicing. Drive-by-wire steering reduces fatigue, and an automated hill hold function boosts confidence on slopes. The mower reaches 5 miles per hour during mowing and up to 9 miles per hour in transport, keeping pace with tight schedules. However, there are trade-offs. Weighing about 1,598 pounds, turf compaction is a concern on soft or wet greens, especially in low-cut areas. While the AWD system improves traction, it requires skilled operation to prevent turf scuffing during tight maneuvers. And the 72-inch deck covers ground efficiently, but may be less maneuverable in tight layouts or dense tree clusters. Where the Elite truly excels is in productivity and versatility. It can handle flail decks for coarser turf, rear discharge configurations to control clipping direction, and winter attachments like plows or cabs.
At number 4 is the Toro Groundsmaster 3200. The Toro Groundsmaster 3200 is designed for commercial turf crews who demand productivity and terrain adaptability. Perfect for golf course roughs, surrounds, and sports fields, this front-mounted rotary mower features cross-tracks all-wheel drive, a powerful diesel engine, and flexible deck options. With prices typically between $40,000 to $50,000, it's a significant investment built for year-round professional use. Under the hood, it runs on a Yanmar 3-cylinder liquid-cooled diesel engine available in 24.7 or 36.8 horsepower. Both engines meet Tier 4 and Stage 5 emission standards, offering reliable torque and improved fuel efficiency for long mowing sessions. Its 12-gallon fuel tank supports daily mowing routes across more than 50 acres without frequent refueling. The Crosstracks drive system distributes torque to all 4 wheels, providing excellent traction on slopes, damp fairways, and rough terrain. With ground clearance up to 8.3 inches, mowing speeds reach 12.5 miles per hour, while transport speeds max out at 15 miles per hour. Reverse speeds of around 6 miles per hour improve maneuverability around tight corners and bunkers. Durability is another highlight. Decks come in 60 and 72-inch widths and are constructed from 7-gauge welded steel. The tilt-up deck lifts nearly 90 degrees with the driveline intact, making blade changes and cleaning quick and easy. Cast iron spindle housings with tapered roller bearings protect the blades, which are heat-treated for long-lasting sharpness. Comfort and control have been thoughtfully engineered. Features include an adjustable steering column, a choice between mechanical or air-ride suspension seats, and fingertip engine controls. There are some considerations. Weighing nearly 1,750 pounds, turf compaction is a concern on soft or saturated ground, especially in low-cut areas. While the AWD system improves traction, it requires skilled operation to prevent turf scuffing during tight maneuvers, and 72-inch deck covers ground efficiently but may be less maneuverable in tight layouts or dense tree clusters. Last but not least is the John Deere 7700A. John Deere 7700A Precision Cut is a commercial-grade fairway mower designed for high-end golf courses and sports turf that demand uniformity, speed, and professional-grade cut quality. With a 100-inch cutting width powered by 5 22-inch QA7 reels, it efficiently maintains large fairways and delivers a tournament-ready finish. Pricing typically ranges between $70,000 to $75,000, placing it firmly in the premium category for municipal and elite-level operations. At its heart is a 41.6 horsepower turbocharged Yanmar Tier 4 diesel engine. It's tuned for steady torque under load and meets current emission standards. Fuel economy is a strong point, thanks to the auto pedal feature that reduces fuel use by idling during non-mowing transitions. The load match system electronically regulates traction speed, maintaining consistent blade engagement through dense turf and helping eliminate striping inconsistencies and missed patches. Real-world fuel consumption averages between 1 and 1.4 gallons per hour, reducing operating costs over time. Where the 7700A truly stands out is with the tech control display. This system allows superintendents to lock mowing speed, turning speed, and transport settings. Maneuverability is impressive for a mower this size thanks to its eHydro electronic hydrostatic drive. With individual wheel motors and no mechanical linkages, it offers smooth response and reliable hill performance. The optional grip all-wheel drive improves traction on wet slopes by transferring torque to the wheels with the most grip. Each reel, configurable with 8 or 10 blades, delivers a clip frequency of 0.067 to 0.084 inches per mile per hour for precise fairway striping. What makes the 7700A one of the best zero-turn mowers for golf courses is its unmatched combination of precise cut quality, smart control systems, and rugged durability.
If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that thumbs up, drop your questions or experiences in the comments, and subscribe if you're serious about keeping your course in top shape year-round. We have more deep dives on professional equipment coming your way, and trust me, you do not want to miss what is next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one where precision, performance, and real-world results always leave the game.